Guys, can I hear? Can I tell you? Baba, we did not like there's something it matter to you. Only I can 10 man. 10. Can I 10 if it's more busy? Busy, more lint in Marico Palican, Baba baby fan. Come again, TikTok. I think I should go. Yeah, let me go TikTok. I can get TikTok, come on. Can I get TikTok? Can I get a live TikTok? Really, we heal, Mutaun, Tumela, but November, Tumela, Lebuhile. Can I take my total Sherama? Enya, Nene. It is still one, Nene. It's a Makabaiki. Kira Katibaya Baiki. Baiki Akaikiani. Kiana Manona take Halankiri. Bushokwa are my favorite person. Yes, Bushokwa. Thank you so much. Can I tell banana and take Halan Kubua? Mosala, Mipona, Tumela Teti. Yes, well, now, and how to move. Hey guys, keep up again complain la. Luna batba. Kapaguleta live TikTok. Tumela 13 November. Tumela Liza ya Mpendle. Ema bate bang. Are Lesotho says hello. Yes, Lesotho. We saw our hot on 13 November Tumela thing. That's one I didn't tell you about. Yes, you must be happy. You must have your own happiness. You must love yourself. Life is out young route. Thank you, life is out young route. Thank you so much. Guys, go palikene man. Una le take khalang me botsa man. Leroy are hello ntate Joyce feedback. Huh? Hello ntate Joyce feedback. Okay. And Tabiseng are dumela ntate Muruti. Nzamani balo ya dumela akpatile batse. Guys man go pa ke re bueng ka ntwe ya. You must love yourself. You must be happy. I believe so much happiness in there. When I you must be happy. You must be happy. You must be happy. Bo, you must have your own happiness. Yeah, you must have your own happiness. You must be you must have your own happiness. But you must have your own happiness. But you must love yourself. You must but Dintozo di tusa kai ga o le long liche. Dintozo. Guys, dintozo di tusa kai when mutoli long liche. Mo di tusa kai. you must have your own happiness. Brandon, actually, you two sakai. When mutuli lonely, only miserable. You must have your own happiness. You must love yourself. You must you must enjoy your life. Hey, really enjoy John. Can you believe since kids were saying Jackson in Kiakai, Kilo Jakai, guys, Brandon nothing. Didn't totally yet as one normal. I Brandon nothing, I get Brandon. But you should love yourself. You must be happy. Alone, you must get I love myself. I'm happy, but I'm lonely. Loneliness we chiba juang. When loneliness, you know how do you fight loneliness? Buang. Buang, you know what's wrong. To say, how do you fight loneliness? How do you avoid loneliness? Lonaba Basua, Kipali Jessica Speed, Kia to a man. I branded no man. Yo, my boy, how are you? Come here. Tell me, come here. How, yeah, stand here. What is your name?
My name is Lokshan.
Your name is who?
Lokshan.
Come here. Come here, I want to ask you a question. Come and answer this. I want to ask you a question. Guys, keep it deal. But you must be happy in but how do you fight loneliness? Loneliness is happy. Happiness is the best tool. I'm happy, I understand that. I'm also happy. I love myself. Marikin, how do you fight loneliness? Buang. Bo, you must love yourself. Buang. Utantare, Tatari, kita mamela luena novi. Yeah, Lina, ki loneliness. Can I get it to talk more? How do you deal with loneliness? How, my boy? Guys, Brandon there. Kia kwala, life yaka. Let's get a level of vandaag. Ka 9 o'clock. Lekker vrijdag mensen, vanavond. Lekker vrijdag. Kia kwala shabana Brandon, how do you deal, how do you overcome loneliness? Loneliness, able to contact. Hakona obe o obata shin. Like loneliness able to. No, you can't fight. Or you can't. Lebahan. Or you can't fight it. Unfortunately, Mudimu, Relonglimus, based or blessed Flora, blessed as kiss, are Relonglimus, Besa, Basa, Kiman Besa, Pastake, Seki, Petare, Are Pasai. Oh, thank you so much. Kinameti a lemon.
Pastor.
Shabu Baba.
Shabu.
Shabu man, Shabu. What a slam.
Yeah,
Okay.
Pastor.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, life. But don't mind. Don't
Okay,
mind. It's
okay.
not a strap night.
Sharp, sharp.
Guys, how do you deal with loneliness? How do you fight loneliness? Because actually you must love yourself. I love myself. You must have your peace inside. I do have my peace. I do have but how do you deal with loneliness? You overcome loneliness in social life. Ay, guys, are kopaneng ka 9 bosiu. Le hlotswe le lona. Are kopaneng ka 9. You must love yourself. You must ing aksahlala ke le mamela. Suka re lonely guys. Yo ke lonely ka sehlong. Ha ke tsebe ke je kae. I don't know where to go, what to eat. I don't know where to go, what to eat. I get it. Restaurant in your woman. Oh, hi. Kubai. Aruko Panika 9. Lekker Vrijdag mensen. Bye bye guys. I love you. Pili ya pili muruti. Kinegi sebile life ya kama kitabia na mansibua. Kinegi sebile one lady.
Bona ntate moruti November.
Mola.
Yeah, ke diakwanisa.
Hayi.
Okay. Uja se-smart sky. Oh, zenge sona ndawe. Yo sesihle.
Ngiyabulela. Ngiyalebula. Ke ne ke sebile bo Megji ba le teng mona Bloemfontein. Bo Megji ba le teng mona. Hi, I was so blessed. Podcasting ya bona. Ke aba stopper everything ba bua ka nna. Hey man, I was so blessed. So this lady ba botsa batho, who knows Dr. November, who knows Pastor November. One lady wa Palmer, no, I know him. He's my friend. Ba mmotsa he's your friend. So ba mo botsa why batho ba ngata ba sa rate pastor. That lady, I don't know, because he's a fake pastor. Yo! Guys, I don't know, because he's a fake pastor. Yo. Guys, neki fedile hleng. I ke hopola the lady. Ke nana mo rapella ali demon possessed. Ke ke mothusa. I was shocked. But guys, thank you so much. Ne ke le botsa fela re loneliness le overcome jwan. A re kopaneng bosiu ka 9 o'clock. Ke tso reka shots e nngwe kotsi tje. Yo! Ke tso reka nngwe kotsi tje. Thank you guys. See you 9 o'clock. Bye. Le hlotswe. Loneliness. E le hlotswe le